I'm trying to build a budget mountain bike, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get mountain bike parts off Facebook Marketplace and or Kijiji or maybe Amazon. Basically for this build, it's usually either slightly used parts for my mountain bike, trying to get rid of my hybrid bike, and I'm gonna be riding mostly on trails now. I don't want to spend too much money on bikes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a frame, suspension fork, and handlebars, seat post, and seat. Those are the things that I have to get off from the marketplace. We'll be transferring my drivetrain from my hybrid bike to this mountain bike, which will cut cost. So I'm gonna be searching for bike parts. So guys, I am on the marketplace checking out some bike parts, and first we're gonna start with a frame. I think I'm gonna go get a frame here, look for frame, a mountain bike frame, and then I'm gonna make my sort of like my bike look like this. So I'm gonna check for frames, then handlebars, right? So I'm gonna contact this guy, see how much. Well, right now he's offering $100 for his frame, so I'm gonna check if I can haggle with the price, and then also as well with the tires and forks. So we'll see if we can with these prices that we can contact these guys and ask for if we can get some discounts for the parts as we go along making my bike. So guys, keep in mind that this is just a budget built bike. Don't expect anything that is top brand names, because the bottom line of this theme is that we're gonna go for a budget mind build. For this vlog, I will be riding my bike for the first times since I parked my bike in November. So the weather's getting better now, and I'm just gonna test my new bike. Well, technically not a new bike, but it's a built bike. So I'm gonna go for just to check the bike that we built. Weather-wise, it's a bit chilly. It's around 2 degrees, 3 degrees Celsius, but it's good enough for a bike ride. But first we have to dress up for this weather. So I got my windbreaker, a little bit of sweater inside, and my baklava. On this kind of weather, you have to be prepared. You got to be not too bulky, because you're gonna sweat, and then it's cold. It's not good for you. So you just have something that's thin enough but warm enough that will just block the wind when you ride your bike. All right, see you in the trail. So guys, this is the bike, built bike. So before I go for a ride, I'm just gonna check for air pressure, because this bike has been in storage for about, I'll say about 2 months, and so I better check the tires, the hydraulic brakes as well. I'm gonna warm it up, but yeah, as soon as I'm done pumping the tires, we're gonna go for a trail ride. So guys, so after I put my bike in the car, we're gonna go look for a nice trail. I'm looking at the couple of trails here near my place. Anyway, so I'm gonna ride my bike. I'm gonna look for a trail, and then I'll see how I can maybe adjust the bike, tune it up a bit. We're gonna go check my bike here at James Garden Park. It has a little bit of a trail on it. So guys, this is a trail right now. It's pure ice and snow, but it's a beautiful day to go bike riding and test my bike. So in the summertime this is a path, but right now it's just pure snow and ice. Look at the view, guys. We are in the month of March and everything is just starting to melt. The snow is starting to melt and the temperature is getting warmer. It's not too cold now, it's getting warmer, but on this trail it's just, as you can see, that's pure ice and snow. See if you can get up here. Alright, looking good so far. We made it. So as you can see, guys, we usually ride our bikes here in the summertime, but now I'm riding this trail in the winter, and this is how it looks. Whew. This bike is good. All right, time for B-rolls. So far, guys, the bike is handling pretty good. I like the specs. So that's it, guys, for my quick biking vlog adventure. Just checking how my bike rides, and just preparing for this summer months of bike riding adventure again. But if you like this video, quick video, please like, subscribe, share, and keep safe, stay healthy, and God bless. So shoutout dyan kanila sa Kapajak, FBA Kapajak, sila Sir Alan, Kuya Dang, Kuya Docs, Cromwell, and Kuya George, and Kuya Rowell. sa mga hardcore members, sila Kiko with famous folding bike. So yeah guys, so this is my bike riding dito sa Canada. It's still winter time, but hopefully when everything's okay na to travel without any restrictions, I can come visit you guys dyan, and then we can go ride our bikes. Alright, God bless.